You can change your mindset by practicing certain application-based techniques. Let's try one that I refer to as 60 seconds of space. Take a moment to push back from your workstation. Find a comfortable position where you can relax and rest quietly for 60 seconds. Space is required to build awareness of both your internal and external environment. This form of heightened awareness facilitates human performance optimization. Thank you for joining the mission. Connect with me to learn more about human performance optimization.